1 box Cheddar Bay biscuit mix. To that, we're adding 1 cup of whole milk. I'm just gonna give this a little mixy mix and get it all combined for this easy breakfast classic, y'all. Now I'm gonna add about a cup of cheddar cheese in here. And I'm just gonna use my hands to get that mixed in and combined. That's gonna let me kind of spread my little biscuits out where I want them in my little 13 by 9 here. Beautiful. Alrighty, I got 9 eggs here. I'm just using my fancy dancy little tool. Look at that. We're gonna scramble these beauties into our deliciousness. Perfect. Now I'm gonna put a little bit of salt in here. A little bit of pepper, of course. Some garlic powder. And some onion powder. Looks good. And now I can really go to town here. Perfect. We're just gonna go ahead and pour this all over. Yummy. 2 of my favorite things so far, scrambled eggs, biscuits. Alrighty, y'all, I just pre-cooked up some bacon slices here, and I did cook them myself in the microwave, but it still counts. And I'm just gonna cut these into smaller pieces. I'm using about 8 sticks of bacon, but you can always do more or less. And you could do a sausage here. You could, add in some bell peppers at this point, some diced onion, whatever you like. I'm just keeping it a little bit simple today. That looks beautiful. Alrighty, I'm gonna top this with a little bit more cheddar because cheddar makes everything mo better. Perfect. Looks good. Alrighty, guys, I'm gonna pop this in my oven at 350 for about 35 minutes. Alrighty, y'all, breakfast is served. Yum, yum, yum. Now, remember we got those Cheddar Bay biscuits at the bottom, so I'm putting the spice packet into just a little bit of melted butter here. We got our eggs, cheddar, and we have got our bacon pre-cooked, not like cooked to the crispiest maximum, but definitely cooked to, a good amount before it went into the oven. And the cool thing about this is like those biscuits really just kind of puff up and this all becomes one. All right, I'm excited for this. Ooh, yes. Look at that. Yummy. So good, y'all. Let me get a bite of this. Look at how light and fluffy that is because of those biscuits mixing in with everything. Oh, this just looks absolutely fantastic. Cannot wait to get some in my mouth. Sometimes y'all say that I don't eat my stuff on camera. Sometimes the stuff is hot. Sometimes I gotta go. But you know what? I don't want to show you that part because do you want to watch that? Maybe some of you do. This is not too hot. It's absolutely delicious. You definitely gotta try it.